Hi, my name is Paul Cruz. I'm with Levitt-Safety, and I want to show you how to use or how to do a respirator fit test with the Sibata Mask Tester Pro Quantitative Respirator Fit Tester. So we have someone here who needs a respirator fit test. I've got them set up with a respirator. It's probed. It's already attached to the Sibata fit tester, and I'm going to press the fit test button. And it says waiting, so it's basically waiting for me to start the test, and I'm going to start the test, and if you'll just do normal breathing, that's all you need to do at this point in time. So normal breathing, and what you see on the screen is that it's testing on CSA Z94.4-2011. The date and time are on here. There's a green bar that's moving across telling us how far we are into this test. The whole series of 7 tests will take us 3.5 minutes to do. As well, it says the next step will be deep breathing. So we're warning the person being tested what their next step is. So it beeps, so if you just do deep breathing, so just slow, shallow, deep breathing, and that's just trying to challenge the respirator fit a little bit. Also on here we see what step 1 was normal breathing, and it says the fit factor was 3,387. So the pass level for this respirator is 100. So already we're having an excellent fit test on this particular respirator, on this subject. So that bodes well for the rest of the test. So now if you just turn your head side to side, so just look slowly left and slowly right. All we're trying to do is just make the mask stretch a little bit to one side and the other, and make sure it doesn't pull away from your face. You notice we're also wearing a lanyard here, and the lanyard is there because we want to take the weight of the hose off of the N95 respirator so it doesn't pull the mask away. Alternatively, you could just hold on to it with your hands and just keep it up and out of the way as well too. So now you can go up and down. So just look up at the ceiling, down at the floor, nice and slowly. Again, the purpose is to try to make the mask move a little bit on your face. So in step 3, the fit factor was 1,412. Again, a very good number for this mask. And it's still moving through the head up and down stage. We can do exactly the same kind of test if we use a half mask respirator, except we just use the mask adapter. So now talking, if you would just want to count to 100 rather, would be fine. Some people like to use the rainbow passage. That's a short poem about a rainbow. You can certainly look at the internet and Google rainbow passage and you'll find it there. It's really the idea is you just want someone to talk, move their mouth, make sure that they're challenging the mask fit a little bit as your jaw goes up and down and so on. The next step coming up is bending. So if you wouldn't mind just bending down and sitting back up again, making sure that the mask doesn't get pulled by the hose. Here we're trying to simulate a mask that is being pulled away from your face by gravity, or by the force of gravity. The fit factor in that case was 939, and it's pretty common for the fit factor to decrease a little bit as we challenge the mask through different scenarios. And then the last test will be back to normal breathing again. So this is just going back to the beginning and getting a second value for normal breathing, and we're almost completed this respirator fit test. So the whole thing will take about 3.5 minutes to complete, and then you're ready to go on to the next fit test. If by chance you get a fail, meaning that there's particles getting inside the mask because we're detecting them, it means you have to refit the mask, perhaps resize the mask, or look for some other reason why the mask didn't fit properly. And we're done normal breathing in just a couple more seconds. The overall fit factor, it says the test was passed, and the overall fit factor was 726. So again, the pass level was 100, 726 is excellent. So thank you very much for watching this video on the Sibata Mask Tester Pro Quantitative Fit Tester. If you've got any more questions, please reach out to us at www.masktesterpro.com. Thank you very much.